Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the noise filter on the Samsung washer. Need a couple different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. The noise filter on the washer cleans the electrical power coming into the machine so that the circuit boards and the sensors work properly. If the noise filter fails, it most commonly causes the washer not to turn on, as power is not being supplied to the machine. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the washer. With access to the back of the washer, the first thing we'll need to do is remove the back cover by removing these 6 Phillips screws. With the screws removed, slide one of your hands underneath and insert a thin tool, like a knife, to pry the locking tabs. With the locking clips released, tilt up and out to remove. Next, remove the plastic cover over the noise filter by depressing the 2 locking tabs. Now, disconnect the 2 electrical connectors by simply pulling them off. Next, remove the noise filter by unscrewing it counterclockwise. If you have a bad noise filter and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the noise filter, make note of the 1 and 2 terminals, then simply align the threads and tighten it back on. Then ensure the 1 and 2 terminals are facing the back of the machine. Next, reconnect the 2 electrical connectors, making sure the notches on the connectors are facing inward. Now, align the filter cover and locking tabs and push to snap them back in place. Next, install the cover panel by inserting the top at an angle, rotate down, align the side locking tabs, and push to lock them back in place. Then, reinstall the Phillips screws. Now plug the washer back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.